In this video, we will discuss two ways to access the date and time settings on a DS7 touchscreen. For the first method, begin by pressing and holding the time on the touchscreen. For the second method, press the menu button on the top right of the screen. Then select System Settings. Here, you will have the ability to toggle on or off automatic time updates. Select a date format. Choose a 24 or 12-hour time format. Show seconds on the clock, or change the time zone. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.